Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to wear a Ghitra. Cobra style, baby. Assalamu alaikum everyone, it's Mr. Q from MR.Q here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make the perfect Cobra style Ghitra. Now there are loads of different ways to style your Ghitra, and Hamad made an episode about that. But since my favorite way is the Cobra style, and it is a Qatari style that we are known for, that's what I'm going to focus on. Now this is going to be a little bit difficult because I don't have a mirror. I'm just looking at you in your eyes. But I'm going to give it a go. First of all, a lot of people make a mistake of not wearing a gahfiyya with their whole ensemble. No gahfiyya, no Ghitra. One of the benefits of the gahfiyya, of course, it'll help the Ghitra not slide around. It keeps everything in place. See? Look. It's in place. Another common mistake is I see that people typically take their Ghitra and they slide it all the way back, like it's pointing towards the sky. No. You want to make sure that you have this little point pointing down, pointing to the ground, the marzam. Now it's very easy to make sure that you have this in the center. If you've gone ahead and folded this or ironed this into a triangle, you'll have that line right over here, and it makes it easy to find where the center is. If you don't, and even if you do, another way is of course simply to take these two bits, hold them down, and if they are at the same level, it's centered. Next up, of course, you have to wear the igal. And again, some people will go ahead and buy a igal too big and it comes to the side. No, you don't do that. Second of all, some people wear it all the way back. We don't do that either. We wear it nice and centered. And automatically you'll see that it'll help this marzam, this little point over here, pinch. All right, so the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and grab the left-hand side. We're gonna throw it over. Now, you'll notice that sometimes if you throw it at the wrong angle, you'll have this bit right over here. Don't worry about it. Don't worry if this sticks out because we can fix it by simply pulling back. Now, if this area gets bunched up as well, all you need to do is run your thumb under here and pull it towards a point. Simple. Also, if the back gets bunched up, just lift up your igal just a little bit so that you can free the space and make sure you have the first half of your Cobra. Just to make sure that this is nice and clear, guys, this is what the right side will look like. This is what the back will look like. And this is what the left side looks like. Now that we've got half done, you can choose to just leave one half up and one half down, if that's your style. But if you want to do a full Cobra, we're again gonna grab this. You'll notice I'm grabbing it, from the middle of the right side, and I fling it over. Now it's not nice and tidy, so all we gotta do is simply pull this back a little bit. Again, with our thumb, pull out, and make sure that we give it a little bit of a flap over here. That's just to make sure that everything looks nice and balanced. Now, hopefully everything looks nice and balanced. I don't have a mirror, but there's one more final thing. You don't want this bit over here to be super bunched up. So what we're gonna do is simply pull it apart just a little bit, and now we've got the perfect Cobra. One indication if you don't have your Ghitra perfectly symmetrical is that you'll see one side just a little bit bigger, like this opening is a little bit bigger than the other. Don't worry, simply open it up and just do it again. So I hope that you enjoyed this episode of Q-Tips. I've taught you how to make an awesome Qatari Cobra. I expect to see a lot of you walking around with one of these, okay? Guys, if you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to give us a like. Don't forget to share. And you see that bell button over there? Put on a Cobra. Ma'as salama.